Hello beautiful people, this time I would like to share a little bit more about my wavy / curly hair routine. Number one, how often you wash your hair? Ideally, once or twice a week is maximum to wash your hair. However, depends of how oily your hair and how humidity in your area, also your activities, how active you are, and that is make your hair more oily. Because the more often you wash your hair, the more you take away the natural hair oil from your hair. Number two, did you use satin or silk pillowcase on your sleep? Sleep on satin silk pillowcase prevents your hair from damaging and dry because less friction between the hair fiber and pillowcase or surface. Hypoallergenic, less absorbent, and breathable. Number three, there is no question if you drink plenty of water and add fruit and vegetable on your diet, that will make your hair healthier. And I will recommend it fish than beef or chicken in your diet because that omega-3 on the fish is will preventing your hair loss, and the collagen and vitamin E from the fish is really will help your skin getting smoother and anti-aging for sure. And this is the most important, use perfect hair product. And I've been using this MANETAIN for several weeks. This MANETAIN is a package, guys. It's like a kit, an awesome kit. So this DELUXE Golden is a perfect kit for your wavy and curly hair. And this golden series from MANETAIN is just giving me a perfect curl that I want. Shampoo from MANETAIN is hydrating, gentle, clean shampoo with coconut and aloe vera, sulfate-free and color-safe formula that cleanses and restores your natural moistures. And here's I use it. First is plenty of shampoo. Usually I shampoo twice every time I wash my hair. Make sure you cross the finger like this for perfect scalp cleansing. And about this conditioner is hydrating detangling conditioner with olive and mango. Applying the conditioner, I recommend from half length of your hair to the bottom. That way not cause any dandruff or itch to your scalps. Secure with claw clips like this for about 5 minutes, then rinse. Then use microfiber cloth while you applying serum and moisturizer to your face. Use wide tooth comb for less hair loss. Even it's normal to shed 50 to 100 hairs a day. Leave-in conditioner with avocado and grapeseed. Protects your curls while adding moisture for easier detangling and manageability. I like to put leave-in conditioner all over my hair. Then remove water with fiber cloth. And after make 3 hair parts, time for curl defining cream. For natural curls, coils, and waves. No sulfates, no parabens, no silicones, no mineral oil, no phthalates, no paraffin, no propylene, no animal testing. Defines curls, reduces frizz, and elongates curls for a soft, silky feel while adding a brilliant shine. Use detangler brush. I like it to make little part and curling while still wet. Then scrunch again with microfiber cloth. And then use diffuser, hair dryer, or just drying naturally, whichever you prefer. Try to use slow and warm settings on your hair dryer for less hair damage. What I like about the MANETAIN product, guys, it's no sulfates, no paraben. It's a vegan. It's just very safe for us. As you see yourself the result, this MANETAIN Gold series is highly recommended. And if you want some too, please check the link down below that you can find 15% off. So grab it now, guys. I hope this video and some tips useful for you. And let me know how often you wash your hair. And please leave comment down below. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll see you soon. Love you.